This is the Blue Echo Care Fetal Doppler, which is a portable heart monitor that you can use in the comfort of your own home or take it with you anywhere you go. It is also Health Canada licensed, so you know it's of good quality. And I'm so grateful that Blue Echo Care gave me this fetal Doppler to try because it brings me such comfort to be able to hear my baby's heart rate right at home. So inside the box, you of course get the fetal Doppler itself. It is this perfect, convenient size that is super easy to use. I love how it's nice and compact, and it's something that's portable, so you can always take it with you. The company also backs their products, so they issue a warranty if you register within 2 weeks of your purchase. They're also willing to give you a free ultrasound gel, because of course you need ultrasound gel to be able to actually use the fetal Doppler. It comes with its own qualified certificate, so you know it's of good quality and it's licensed. And it comes with its simple instructions to be able to use, and it tells you all about the device and what all the settings on the monitor will show you. It's quick and easy to use. It just requires 2 AA batteries inserted to the back of the monitor. So let's put some batteries in and give it a try. Okay, so you take your ultrasound gel and you do quite a lot on your belly. And then you turn on the Doppler. Right away you can hear the sound. And let's try to get... I know my baby's somewhere down here. That's why I'm aiming for over here. And there it is. There's my baby's heart rate at 151. And those fluctuations are when the baby moves or kicks, because I can feel the difference. But pretty consistently around the 151 range. And there we are. And then you just want to make sure that you clean off the Doppler every time. It's easy with a nice simple wipe. Probably best to turn it off first to ensure that you don't contract the sound. But then you just give it a nice wipe, clean it off, and then it can be ready to use for the next time. So it's nice and easy to find your baby's heart rate. You just have to be a little bit patient until you gain some experience with a Doppler, but it is definitely user-friendly, compact, and easy to use. So if you're looking for a Doppler to be able to detect your baby's heart rate right from home, that's compact, portable, and easy to take with you, I highly recommend this one.